this one or this one? Hello and welcome to another fall pattern haul. So I recently posted a video of all my fall makes, but I am not done yet and fall is not over. Today I'm going to show you additional Mccalls and simplicity patterns that I'm going to be including in my Me Made wardrobe for 2021. And also really quickly, I will put a link to my other fall pattern haul that you might want to look at. There's a lot of good plans there. And then also there is my fall fashion show that I did. It's my fall try-on haul that I did. Okay, so the first pattern that I am going to show you is I picked up Mccalls 7836. Now, I have been loving knits lately. And so this one is a top. It says it's a fitted pullover top, features a drop shoulder and sleeve variations. You even get the cold shoulder detail if you'd like. Now, I'm not really a fan of that. Probably mostly, I like the look of it, but then I'm like, well, what am I gonna do with my bra strap? And homie don't have time to try to find a workaround. Now, I think this Mccalls pattern is really great for fall because it does say the suggested fabrics are cotton knits, sweater knits, ponte knit, and French terry. I'm going to show you the line drawings in the back. And so what I also love is this, how the neck goes up. Well, I'll show you right here. See how the neck kind of goes up a little bit. And then I probably won't ever, well, yeah, I probably won't do that one, but I do like that kind of, a little touch of sassy, I guess. So if one day I decide that I want to be sassy, well, then there's my shirt. And then also that one right there. But they do have the version that is like more, I guess you would say, conservative, but it's still cute. I love the puffy sleeves, and I really do love the seam going down the middle. And there's also that variation where you can do, more of like a fluffy sleeve. Ooh, the more I'm looking at this pattern, I really like it. I can't wait to get started on this one. So let me tell you, it says for the sizes in case you want to get it. I picked up the size 6 through a 14. So this is one of those patterns where you're going to have to decide on what envelope that you're going to pick. And really, I had a hard time deciding because I'm anywhere from like a size 12 to a 16. So I'm right there in the middle. And it says this runs from sizes 6 to a size 22. And the bust measurement for the finished garment it starts at a 33.5 inches all the way up to 47 inches. So my bust size is a 40, and so that will be a size 14. Okay, so the next Mccall sewing pattern that I have is, this one is Mccall 7622. Now, I picked this one up. Okay, this one, obviously, it's really good fall pattern to wear with jeans. This one is a great pattern to wear with leggings. I like to pick these ones up and, maybe just make it a little bit shorter, like 2 inches shorter. But I like that it's just a long sleeve right here. And I like that it has like a cowl neck right there. So here are the line drawings right here. And I actually love this going on right here because it's got the V-neck and then it's got the collar, and then you can just add sleeves to make this your fall winter outfit. The description says fitted through the bust dress, has neckline and sleeve variations. Now, the suggested fabrics to use on this is jersey, cotton knits, metallic knits, or rib knits. Ooh, that would be really pretty in a rib knit for fall. Okay, I'm feeling it. This one, I don't see the finished garment measurements. This one's just giving the body measurements. So I'm probably gonna have to do like just a muslin type to get the fit, because this one goes from extra small clear up to an extra, extra large. And the bust measurement goes from 29.5 all the way up to 48 inches. Oh, and then the envelope size that I got is a large to an extra, extra large. So this is another one where you have to pick. Do you want the small to the medium or the large to the extra large? And so I don't know if that's going to be too big for me. Well, it says a large goes from 38 to 40. So I think I'll be okay with making a large in this pattern. Okay, so the next pattern I got is this one, but I want to explain to you why I got this one. Okay, so I have a particular sweater shirt that I love, and I bought it from TJ Maxx, but it doesn't really fit me very well in like the upper body anymore because I kind of, gained a little bit more of me to love. And so I'm like, what is it that I love about this one though? And I was like really studying the lines of that shirt. And I didn't realize this because it was all made in like one fabric, but the lines on that shirt match exactly like this. But it didn't have the different color blocking. So I didn't know right away, but I was thinking I need to replicate that shirt, and I can't find that shirt. Otherwise I would show you, because again, you guys, things go missing in my home. Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room was like, oh, it's probably like a pirate frog. So I'm like, okay, well, they're probably having so much fun stealing my stuff, and they're probably watching me like in the attic and just laughing every time I'm looking for my things. So there you have it. Can't find my shirt anywhere. Haha, very funny, guys. So this one is Mccall's 7286. And it says, so I'm really excited. I'm not going to do the color blocking. I'm doing that for the fit. So this one is view D. And it says, this just says close fitting pullover top. It has a neckband and a hemline variations and a narrow hem. It says the fabrics to use are jersey, interlock, matte jersey. So here's that. It comes in a size, this one also has the body measurements, not the finished garment measurements, and it goes from a bust of 29.5 all the way up to 48 inches, and the envelope only gave me the large, extra large, and extra, extra large. So if you need the small one, make sure that you get the right envelope for that. These are the line drawings in the back right here, and again, I'm just going to focus on this one. Oh, I didn't even notice that right here. They do have a color block version right there. But I don't like the color blocking on here. I just got it again just for the shape of it. Okay, so this next Mccall's sewing pattern that I got is a color block one because I've been loving color blocking lately. And this is Mccall's. This is Mccall's 8244 right here. And I don't know if I'm gonna, okay, I like the shape of this. And I can do a short sleeve, but it also has the long sleeve version. But when you look at the line drawings in the back, so that's what I want to do. I want to make a long sleeve version of that. I can also do leggings if I would like on this pattern. And let me tell you the body measurements for this. This one, maybe they don't do finished garment measurements. Okay, so I'll tell you the bust size is, it starts from 31.5 and the bust size goes all the way up to 49 inches. The sizes are like this. This envelope is size 8 to 16. And so then you have to pick the other envelope for the 16 up to 32, I think is what it is. It says the suggested fabrics, 75% four-way stretch knits, such as athletic knits. Ugh, I wasn't really prepared for that. So have any of you guys sewn with athletic knits? Anybody? Is anybody alive out there? I was thinking that I could just use regular knits, which I think I can just use regular knits, but I'm gonna have to make sure that I do the crosswise right here to do the test. Because you know, when you're cutting on like a curve or on the bias like that, it might end up kind of crazy, the fit, when you sew it together. So I'm gonna have to check on that. And then also what I wanted to mention as well, let me see, on my Amazon shop, I don't know if you guys have checked it out. I'll put the link in the descriptions tab below, but I've got some really cute fabrics on there. There's not a lot of fabrics, but I got like cheetah prints and just like some kind of trendy prints that would go well with this. Because remember, you'll want to do like a cute fun print and then maybe some solid prints. And in my Amazon shop, they're like associated with fabric.com. So that's kind of where the fabrics are coming from, and it's free shipping, and you'll get it like in 2 days. So it's worth checking out that shop. I do have an affiliate link, so I'll just get like a little bit of some, like a couple of cents or something if you do place an order through my shop. Okay, so the next pattern I have is this one. This one is really, really popular on Instagram. They're doing a Sew Your View for October. Well, you know, we're at the end of October, but I'm still gonna make it anyways. So this one looks pretty fun. I saw it many times. I didn't really want to buy it, but then Talisha, and there's her channel right down there, she made this and she was just rocking it. And so these are the line drawings. I'm not going to do the tassels. I'll probably do, you know, probably B, because I like that it's a loose fitting turtleneck. I don't like turtlenecks that, you know, kind of choke me. So if you can see hers right here, it looks like it just lays comfortably up against her neck right there. So the body measurement says, oh, this one does have the finished garment measurements. Oh, but this one doesn't have the bust size. So I don't even know if it's worth telling you. I'll just show you the back right here. And then these are the line drawings right here. So it's like a fun basic pattern. And the suggested fabrics: moderate stretch knits, sweater knits, French terry, sweatshirt, fleece, cotton knit. I think that would be really cute in a French terry. Joann's has a few cute fabrics that you could make that would go with this pattern right here. Oh, and what another good thing about this one is it comes in extra small all the way up to extra, extra large. So one envelope will fit everyone. Okay, and I don't know if I had already said this, but I'm going to put the numbers of all the patterns in the descriptions tab below. So if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to. Okay, so this right here is the simplicity pattern, and this one is, I can't read backwards, 8988. And so I really like this pattern when I picked it up because I do like the seam going down the middle. I like the relaxed fit, and it just looks like an easygoing shirt. And so I have a waffle knit fabric that I'm gonna use. And so this shows the line drawings. Let me show you because my fabric is kind of bent. So right here shows you, it's got a cute little tie right there. And then you can make it with, it's like a cowl neck, or you can leave that off. Oh, it also has interesting lines on this one. That's interesting. I don't think I will do that. I'm just going to stick with this one right here. So, oh, and what I love about this one as well, the sizing runs extra small all the way up to extra large. So you have all the sizes you need in one envelope. So the suggested fabrics to use are medium weight fabrics such as double knit, fleece, jersey, ponte, sweatshirt, fleece, velour, novelty, sweater knit. See, I was thinking it would be more for like lightweight knit. That's what that looks like for me, but okay. And so the finished garment measurements, it has the bust size. It goes from 34.5 all the way up to 49 inches. Ooh, I'm torn with this one because It has 41 inches for the finished garment measurement on a size medium. So I think I'm going to do that one because I don't want it to be very tight. I want it to be this relaxed fit right here. And there's that. I showed you the line drawings. Okay, so there you have it. You know, those are the patterns that I'm adding to my plans. I really want to get to them. I'm not sure if I will be able to, but all the information will be in the descriptions tab below. Let me know which one you like, or let me know if you have any of these patterns. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy sewing. Bye guys.